Hi there, I'm Jebb Adams, and I'm here with three Singer 306Ks. The one on the left, the black one here, that one is Denis. The one beside that one, right here, this is Paige. And this one over here is Parmeet. So we had a look at Denis here and his loaded gear housing. What a mess. All that wet grease and oil from the decades, and the thing is full. I don't know if the other ones will be full. This was an indoor sewing machine. I think this one was too, but I don't know because the lady I bought it from, she bought it at a Mission thrift store in Owen Sound, Ontario. So that's where she bought it, but she was in this part of the country when she sold it to me. So, since I do have three of them, and since this one is so gunked up with gunk, I thought, why not do all three of them at the same time? And if they're all full, well, they're all full. If they aren't, then they aren't. But at least they're going to get clean. And that's what I'm here for. That's what we're here for. So I got my screwdriver. I've got these makeup pads here because there's the inside of the cover. So it's all gunked up too. But anyway, let me get lined up here a little. Oopsie daisy. A little closer to where I'm going first. And you know what? I can actually move this tripod in too. That would be a good thing to do. I think you guys got a good view there. I'll try and keep my plastic hairy hands out of the... You know what? I'm going to get something with a smaller slot. Something like that. So I'll undo the bottom one first. The reason undo, they're well lubricated from the inside. I think I'm so hilarious, don't I? Not really, but it's nice to have fun. So that's the top screw. Let's get into this. I mean, that's the bottom screw. Let's get into this top screw now. Let me get there. Okay. Did you see that? Oh my gosh, my friends. Look how clean that gear is. Wow. Must have had a good life. Well, there is gunk in there. There's dirt, but it's a lot better than Denis over there on the left. Let's see how Parmeet is doing. Yeah, I thought it would be... that one is... like, it is really full, And, well, anyway. So that's the comparison. This is a short video. My next, I'm going to have to clean this this Denis, get that gear, get all that old oil and grease jam out of there. Actually, I'm going to do it right now. So just hold on to your hats, my friends, and we'll take care of it right now. Oh, I got so much stuff here. Indeed. Well, since I'm not going to do these ones right now, let me back up again. I'm going to put these covers back on. and I will get to them another day in their turn. That was kind of easy. Sometimes these things can be really hard to seat, these little screws. And this one, it's got some gouge marks on it. Anyway, it's going on 10 minutes. I'm going to get the cover on this one. And then I'm going to clean this. I may make that another video. I want to thank you for viewing and liking and subscribing. I'm completely self-funded. I don't solicit funds, and I don't get any revenue from this site. So the support that I do respectfully ask for is likes and subscriptions. Subscribing to my channel would help the channel. Thank you, and please do return. If you have comments or whatever, I would love to hear from you. Ciao for now.